Hi everyone and welcome to our May half-term craft activity. We have produced a board game for you and thought it would be great for you to make your own board game pieces. We'd like to see some really creative designs. This is just a guideline and everything you'll need will be listed below. If you don't fancy doing any crafts, you can always use your favourite toy car for the board game instead. So start by cutting a toilet roll in half. Then cut 2 incisions in the top of the toilet roll. Make sure these are about 1 inch apart. After, fold this down and then fold it back up again to create a windscreen and a bonnet. Next, cut the bottom of the toilet roll and then use this spare card to cut out little squares and fill in the front and the back of the card. I stuck this down using double-sided sticky tape, but you could also use glue. At the end of this step, this is what your board game piece should look like. The next step is to paint your piece. I decided to do mine red like a mini. After the paint is dry, cut 4 little squares out of tinfoil for windows and 1 large rectangle for the windscreen. Then stick these down using glue. Next, use some yellow card or whatever you have lying around the house and cut out 2 small circles for the headlights. Finally, stick down your wheels onto the 4 corners of your cars. I use buttons for my wheels. And this is our finished board game piece. Make sure it's nice and colourful and use this as an inspiration for your designs.